What's going on, you guys? It's Cody. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can open your new Webull account and get 2 free stocks just for opening that account, and at this point, depositing your first initial $5 into the Webull platform. Now, these promotions are always changing, and you are going to need a referral code in order to get those 2 free stocks. So I'm going to go ahead and throw my referral code in the description below, as well as make it the pinned comment here on this video so that you've got easy access to it. So go ahead and click that link. I'm going to pull this up here on my phone. We're going to get started on downloading this. So what we're going to do, open up the link and we're going to go and click sign up, and you can see right here on the screen it says get 2 free stocks. So congratulations, you've successfully joined Webull. The limited offer: open an account within the next 24 hours and get 1 bonus stock. Deposit and get another 1 bonus stock. So we're going to go ahead and download the app. We're going to go ahead and click this button here. So the app is now downloading. Wait for that to download, and once you are in the app, now, once you get into the app, it's going to ask, would you like to send notifications? I'm just going to hit don't allow for right now. It's going to show you some different information here on your watch list. This is going to be the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ. It shows you the companies Apple and Google, as well as some cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, stuff like that. So this is just the general watch list that you start out with here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on this little present up here in the top right-hand corner, and we're going to go ahead and click login. And we're going to go ahead and click sign up. So I'm going to come in here and open up this account. It's going to send me a verification code. So I'm going to pull this up here on my other device. All right, after you input that verification code, it will allow you to finish the account setup. Now for me, I've already got my account registered. So I'm just going to go back here and we're going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, so now that we've actually got signed into the app, now we can actually go through and submit our request to open an account. We're going to come over here. We're going to go ahead and click on this little icon up in the top right, and you're going to see this information here. It's going to say open account, and you're going to go ahead and click through that and follow the information. Now it's going to ask for a lot of personal information like your birthday, your driver's license. It's going to ask for your social security. So I'm not going to go through that here on my phone again because I've already done it, but you're going to basically just follow the prompts at that point, and it will walk you step by step through the process of opening that account. And then once that's completed, you're going to then have access to your account, and then once it's verified, it will take about 2 to 3 business days. You're going to have the ability to then go and attach your bank account information to the account, deposit that first initial $5, which is pretty straightforward. It's just an ACH transfer, and then you'll have the ability to get that second free stock. Remember, you're going to get that first free stock when you go through and you set up the account using the referral link in the description or the pinned comment below, and then you'll get that second free stock when you deposit that initial $5. So go ahead and do that. Click on the link down below if you haven't already. Set up the account, go through the process of getting the Webull app downloaded, and then going on to open the account by inputting all your personal information and getting that all set up so you have the ability to then transfer that first initial $5 into the account to get that second free stock. That's the ultimate goal here, and then you can start on your investing journey. If you're new at this, you're going to absolutely love Webull. If you're not new, it's going to be a great platform. I think you're really going to like it. So with all that said, guys, thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description below, and we'll catch you in the next one.